Hello, hello, Sudoku friends. Good morning. Good morning to you. Yes. In today's newspaper of Tuesday, January the 4th, 2022. Yes, we have here only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. But we have also a good news in this newspaper. We have also an additional. Let me show you. Additional extra puzzles. 9 exactly. We have the 1 star, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star. A binary puzzle number 1 and a binary puzzle number 2 and a killer Sudoku. And those puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 9 extra puzzles. Half of them I won't solve. Only 5 of them I will solve. But first, let's get started with the medium Sudoku for today. Let me zoom this out. Yes. Okay. Need to move it up. Yes. This is okay. This one will be number, I believe, number 3926. Yes. 3926. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 1 star. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We will see. And it's already past. 2 minutes already passed. Okay, so let's get started. 3 in this column, third column, 3 in the first column, so the column between the second column. No, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so in the third column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then Interesting. For I'm scanning. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 5 should be here. 5 in this third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. I cannot continue with the 5, but we have a pair. 4 and a 5 in this row, 4 and a 5 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places left for the 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 4 and a 5. 4 and the 5. Alright. Well. 3 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 167. Look, we have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in this box. Here also a 7 in the last row, so no 7 in that box. 1 box left for the 7, should be there. 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers 1 and a 6. 1 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in this first column, 9 in the second column, so in the third column. Only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and the 2. And we have a 2 there in the third column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 box left in the third column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Alright. Then. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 6. We have a 4 and a 6 in the middle row, so no 4 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3. We have a pair. 2 and a 3 in this row. 2 and a 3 in the row below. So the last row, the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for the numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. Then the 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And we have a pair. 7 and a 5 in this third row. 7 and a 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. And look, we have a 7 there. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there. This box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. Can we count? And all the 7s are used. Missing a 7. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Now I can count, and all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. Can I count the 5s? And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 5. All right. Then. How about 2 missing numbers in the first row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9, and look, we have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Right. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 9. Alright. How about one number left in the last row for number 1. The 2 is missing. Okay. So we have a 2 in the last column, 2 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 2. Alright. Now. The 4 in this column, the 4 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, so 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. One number left in this middle column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, so 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be an 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 1 number left in this column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, so 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, no 1 goes there. Final 2 numbers of this big square. 4 the numbers, so 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Yes, definitely. Faster than 50 minutes. Definitely a 1 star. And I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the 1 star, for the 2 stars, for the 3 stars, for the 4 star Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the heavy, for the medium, for the light, for the quintuplet, for the killer Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the tectonic, for the binaries, for the letter Sudokus, all kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Tuesday, and we will meet again later on in the evening with the other puzzles in the additional. So see you then. Bye bye for now.